Okay, Tilo, how was your first week of camp? Was that good, huh?
It was okay.
It was okay.
It was pretty good. It was fun.
Oh, that's good. I'm glad you had fun. I had fun with you. Thanks for being my roomie.
We still have like 7 minutes to go.
I know. So exciting. Here we are. Day 6? 7?
6.
6?
7, right? Because we got here Sunday.
Yeah. So day 7. Wow. Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Day 7. Crazy stuff. It's exciting. This is the hat I got. Got our staff shirt. I'm going to show you the belt buckle. Oh. Okay, it's so cool. Let's see if I can't find it.
There's one.
Okay. This is working. So, here's the belt buckle. Boy Scouts of America. Right there. Isn't that sweet? It's our staff belt buckles. A staff belt buckle. How freaking legit is that? And so, we got our staff shirts. I'm going to use yours as examples, Okay. So here's the... Oh, wait, yeah. I'm here in the... There we go. Here's our staff shirts. Can't really see it super well. But... those are the blue ones. Then we have some brown ones right there. Pretty cool stuff. Love them. We got staff jackets. Show them the staff jacket. Here's our staff jackets. They're so awesome. Tilo work, and like, there's this pocket right here where you can take the entire jacket and fold it up, and then like inside out, some special way, and it will fit, and like you can carry it around in this
small thing.
tiny little pocket. It's so cool, and this is Omnitech awesome waterproof and breathable technology. So super exciting, and it's turning into the Hinckley Scout Ranch next year. So they're Hinckley Scout Ranch jackets. This is the last year of Camp Frontier, right?
Yep.
So next year it'll be the Hinckley Scout Ranch. Super cool. How did you sleep last night, Tilo?
It was cold and really cold, so not too well.
Not too well.
But that's okay.
It was pretty frigid. But yeah. So, first week of camp is over and done. The view. Yeah, this is the view right outside of our tent. It's gorgeous. $10 to anyone who can spot the muffin. Anyone.
Dude, I can't even find it, and I'm standing here.
Really? That's awesome. You really don't see the muffin.
No, I really don't.
That's hilarious. Okay.
I'm gonna feel really stupid if you find it.
Anyone who can see the muffin, you get money. There we go. It's beautiful here at Camp Frontier. Gorgeous day. And we're going home, and we're coming back tomorrow to start a whole new week of cooking.
More food.
More food.
More food.
So excited.
I'm so excited to cook more food.
So we're going to cook more food.
Where's the muffin?
You really don't see the muffin.
Oh my God.
She just found the muffin. Oh my goodness. That's so funny. I can't believe you didn't see that.
Shut up.
Well,
I'm gonna brush your teeth.
yeah. That's a good plan. You do that. Spit on a bee. Alrighty. good day at Camp Frontier, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.